Makni.
Makan
And
dal.
then
How is that? Paneer tikka masala and naan. How is it?
very good. Well done.
Very good. Thali. Sai. How is Punjabi curry?
Super.
Super Punjabi curry.
എനിക്ക് വീണ്ടും കഴിക്കാം.
ഇതൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
Wali Malai. This is Malai. How is this one?
Good.
Very good. This is the present owner of Milan. Hi.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Yeah. Hi. How many years this Milan hotel?
More than 40 years.
40
been
years.
running. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. It was nice.
Pleasure.
We enjoyed the food, especially the thalis,
Okay.
fantastic, and even the naans. I was telling my wife, yeah, it was best, even better than in India.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, most welcome. Do come again.
Thank you.